it'll just get everybody really excited about this upcoming final season 8, because I know everybody's been waiting, and I think it'll be inspiring. It's bittersweet for me. I mean, it's on the one hand, it's obviously really exciting to see this now come to an end at such a peak, but it's been such a great experience for me that I honestly don't want it to end. So I'm going to be really sad, I think, once this is all over. It's incredible, actually. It's very exciting to have this music played here, and obviously a lot of people are going to see and hear it, so it's very exciting for me. This idea about tonight then came up, and he thought, what about, wouldn't you mind seeing new music against this Bellagio fountain? And I said, absolutely, that would be really cool.
My God, the ice wall, it like owns the show towards the end of season 7. We've got our own wall here. It's like 900 feet of these brilliant white jets. So that's our wall here, right? Bellagio's and mine, wet. And how could we bring those two together? And as you will see shortly, of course, the Dragons do their thing on the ice wall. They do a pretty mean number on our wall here too, as we'll get to. You'll feel and you'll see the shadows of those dragons, and that come in. And then at the end, when the dragon incinerates the ice wall, it catches our lake. And if you thought maybe water didn't burn, oh my gosh, you got to see what this dragon does to the lake of the Bellagio. Wow.